In that section, discuss the engineering drawing, selection of engineering drawing. In that initial step, preparation of need of the problem, need of the solution from the customer or feedback, selection of the raw material, or the preparation of the part drawing. So part drawing is a very essential factor, very important factor in the process planning. Okay. In that part drawing only we have to decide all the parameters. So in the part drawing only we have to expose for the lower level of the workers, production managers, as well as workers also. So based on the part drawing only the part to be manufactured. This very simple logic. Give you a part drawing, the operator or the process operator to make a part within a time. Okay, so the drawing part is very important role. In the engineering drawing, assembly drawing and detailed drawings. The assembled drawing means a part contain one bicycle contain three parts. That means front wheel, rear wheel, and three bars and chain system, so on so. These are the sub assembly 1, 2, 3, 4. But the final part cycle is a finished part is a output of the part is cycle, bicycle. Okay, but contain 3 to 4 assembly to make together we make a bicycle. That is logic. Okay, so preparation of each and every assembled drawing is very essential. We make a 3 bar, we make a front wheel, we make a rear wheel or chain wheels. So 3 bar, 3 wheel bar is contains some what type of the material. So the bar size, bar specifications, what type of angle to be made on 3 bars. Next one, front wheel. So how much amount of forks to be counted. Okay, how much amount of depth on the rim, what are the radius between the forks and cone. So these are the design parameters. That design parameters to be delivered to workers in terms of drawings. So contain all information to assemble 2 or more parts together. So the assembled drawing, single part assembled drawing, collective assembled drawing. Single part assembled drawing means simply say for one bush. Any one bush, that is called single assembly of the part. That means part name is bush. Collective assembly drawing. So example for bicycle. These are collectively 2 to 3 assemblies to make an one bicycle. That is called collective assembly drawings. Okay. That the engineering drawing we have to make some all the details. That means size, shape, tolerance, clearance, fit tolerance, fold basis or interferences. All the details to be given. That means bill of material to be focused on the drawings. Okay, how much amount of length, width, height, what is the diameter of the cylinder. So this type of question to be answered into the drawings. Okay. Next, useful geometry apart from the geometry. That means a material and specification. What is the type of material? What is the grade? Say for cast iron. Selection of material is cast iron. So grade 20, grade 30 or grade 40 to be mentioned on the drawing. Okay. Notes on special material. Treatment. What type of treatments? Annealing or surface hardening. All are given to the symbols. We have to discuss about the symbols. What is the type of surface finish? In that means we have to not only given the surface finish, we have to give you some symbols. Each and every operation to be make on the symbol. Okay, geometrical tolerance, screw thread, tool reference, cage reference. Okay, what is the quantity of the part to be mentioned? Okay, identifying the dimensional. So these are the one drawing, just one example. So in that way we have to give you some 30 mm dia, 65 mm deep. So that clearance 30.0 to 30. 30 mm we have to provide, but we have to give you a upper limit. 30.02 only we have to accepted one. At that level, second drawing 35 mm is needed. So accepted level is 35.02. So we make here some clearance. That clearance should be noted in the drawing. Okay, each and every part. So length, diameter, so on. So all the details should be given. So tolerance, bilateral tolerance, unilateral tolerance. That means bilateral tolerance means allowance is allowable for upper and lower. So upper level and lower level, two level to be satisfy the tolerance, that is called bilateral. That means, for example, we have to make a 25 mm length, but the 25 length is bilateral tolerance means 25.0 to 24.98. So plus or minus 25 plus or minus 0.02 is possible. So that is called bilateral tolerance. Unilateral tolerance, either upper or lower. So in the drawing we have to use for the only upper level. Okay, 30.02, that is called unilateral. Okay, limits. Two extreme permissible size of dimension between actual size of dimension is contained. Okay, so what are the types of fits to be available in the material field or manufacturing field? Clearance fit, interference fit, transition fit. So whole basis, soft basis method. The interference clearance method is soft is mat smaller than the whole. Under all extreme of tolerance, that is upper and size of the soft is smaller than lower size of the hole, allowing it to rotate within the hole. That is called hole basis. Soft bearings, and where it is a requirement for one part to slide within another. That means shaft should revolve one shaft. So it can be give some clearance. So it is called a hole basis clearance, soft basis clearance. Okay. The soft is mat larger than the hole under all extreme tolerance, that is lower size of the soft is larger than the upper of the hole.